Amazon jumped more than 15% after its latest earnings, and AWS grew 37% from a year ago. The business still looks strong, and Amazon remains in a long-term uptrend. But this rise is already getting late. So how much room is left before a larger correction becomes possible? I still see room higher, and the first area I am watching closely is roughly $300 to $400. Amazon has been moving inside this rising channel since around 2007. Price is still inside it, so the long-term trend remains intact. Amazon has also moved above its previous high, although the latest push has not been especially strong. There is still room for the move to continue, but Amazon is still further along in this trend than it was a few years ago. And even if Amazon keeps making new highs, I would not expect the next part of this trend to look like the previous years. The earlier advance was much cleaner. From here, I expect the path to become more uneven, with deeper pullbacks and wider swings along the way. So my main view is still higher, but I expect a much rougher path from here. I showed this Amazon structure in an earlier video, when the stock was trading around $218. At the same time, I still saw room toward $300 and potentially $500 before much larger sideways phase. Amazon has moved much higher since then, but the larger picture has not required a major change. We are simply much further along in that same move now. On the daily chart, Amazon has an open gap roughly between $230 and $260. That area is also close to the level Amazon recently moved above. If price pulled back, this is the first area I would watch. A strong response there would keep the larger upward picture intact. If Amazon starts holding below this area, I would reassess the current map. The next useful update comes when Amazon reaches the $300 or $400 area above, or returns to the $230 to $260 area below. When that happens, I will reassess the chart and update the map.